What's poppin' 10? I'm depositing 10. All these ends, why you motherfuckers got to be? What's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin' 10?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing like a hair tutorial for y'all, but I'll be doing a hair tutorial for y'all, and this hair video is in partnership with MyFirstWig. Guys, they came out with these awesome ponytails. Like, it's a package where you get 3 ponytails in the package, so they send it over me for me to like review for y'all and for me to like install and show y'all how to style it. So we're gonna get straight into that. They sent me like 3 different ponytails. I think I got a curly texture, I got a straight texture, and I have like a afro puff or whatever. But I'm gonna start off by doing my hair into a little ponytail. It's been a while since I like did my hair like to the back, so I already like parted out the little part that I think I want it to be my center. So we're just gonna get into that. I had some braids in my hair and I took them out, so my hair isn't freshly washed, just in case you're wondering. And I literally just put the blow dryer through it like a little bit, so let's hope that doesn't affect like the styling or anything. If you're new here, please feel free to like subscribe to my channel. Like, awesome content is over here and it's totally free. Just like subscribe, hit that post notification so you know every time I do upload. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for tuning into yet another video. Guys, I've noticed as of late I have not been doing talk throughs, and this is because like my camera does this weird thing when I connect it to my laptop. Like, the audio isn't great, so I'm trying again for the life of me to do like a talk through. I hope this recording goes well and I can use the audio. But yes, guys, I'm just gonna get into doing the ponytail. I'm literally gonna go in and use Style Factor's Edge Booster Extra Strength and Moisture Rich Pomade. I've been using this a lot. Like, it's really good. It lays my hair and it doesn't necessarily turn white. I notice like if it's like really wet and I like tie my hair down, it'll have like a little white mark when I take it off. But all I do is like spray water on it and it's like good to go. So I don't have a problem. I don't know if you got a problem using it, but I don't have no problems. It works well on my 4C hair, so I'm good with it. So I'm gonna be using this, and I'm just gonna go in and do my hair in a little pony. I'm gonna part like the lower section out and put that in one, and then I'm gonna put the pomade over the sides. What am I saying? And then I'm gonna catch it up and get the ponytail, and then we're gonna move on to showing you the actual ponytails and like doing the different styles. So y'all know what you already need to do. Hit like, go comment already, because you already know the video is going to be bomb. Do I ever disappoint? I don't think so. So like, just hit like, hit me shit, hit like, leave a comment, and just like stay tuned and like keep on watching. Guys, I literally could only find one hair scrunchie, like one hair tie or whatever you guys call them. So just pray for me because I don't got any more and we have to get this ponytail together. I'm going to start off, as I said, I parted my center, so this is the part that I want. So I'm gonna just use some of this product just so the part is like nice and defined. That's where our center is going to be. I hope this is like my center. But yeah. And I'm literally going to part my hair in like 3 sections. Well, I'm gonna part the back out. I feel like I have a lot of hair on my head right now, like it's crazy. Then I'm going to add the pomade all around the area, put that in a ponytail, and then like slick these parts in. I really feel like my hair is like gone through like a growth spurt. Usually when I sleek my hair down, I would part it like really small and go section by section. But right now I really don't want to do that. I hope that doesn't sound bad, but right now I really don't want to. So I'm gonna just do the top. We're gonna hope for the best and we're gonna hope that it's sleek. Why one of my eyelashes feel longer than the other one? Ugh. Guys, so this isn't like one of my OG sleek ponytails, to be honest with y'all, but I'm just trying to do a quick ponytail so I can show y'all. Okay guys, so these ponies are from MyFirstWig and this is their 3-piece pony set. So I'll be showing y'all 3 different ponies. I'll be installing one and then I'll show you the other 2 styles, just like a quick look at what it looks like. So the ponies come in this really cute package that I'm definitely keeping. It gives the information on the wig on the inside. It comes with a card giving you the information. I keep saying wig. It gives you the information of the pony. This is the silky texture, 22-inch, hair color 1B, and the cap construction is a ponytail. It also like brought me a wig cap. I'm not sure. We're not gonna use those, but it brought me a wig cap. So this is a 22-inch, and this does feel like human hair. It really feels like Brazilian human hair. I'm going to like leave all that information down below, but yeah guys, this is a 22-inch pony and this is the 1B color. It's a little bit brown compared to my hair, but I'm still going to install it so y'all can see. And it comes with 2 clips, one right here and one at the bottom. It comes with a drawstring as well because it is a drawstring ponytail. The color is a little off from my hair color, but that's fine. We're gonna let it work anyways. Okay, so I pulled the drawstring as tight as I possibly could. Just gonna wrap it around to give me extra security. as you know, I have 4C hair, so this hair is a little bit silky. If I was wearing this, I would definitely like straighten my hair and then put it in the ponytail if I was wearing this out, so it will blend better. And then guys, I would dye this hairpiece to a 1B, because to a black color, because I realized my hair is more jet black than 1B. I'm just gonna take a piece of this hair and wrap around the base so it looks more seamless. I'm gonna secure this with some bobby pins. If you have like processed hair, this would definitely work for you, because the ponytail is nice. It has a realistic like density and everything like that, so it'll definitely work for you. I was gonna straighten it, but now that I'm brushing it out, I don't think I need to straighten it. I just feel like ponytails look super sexy, and low ponytails give you this really like sultry look, and I'm working with this, the makeup, the earrings, like this whole ponytail look is a 5. I'm going to try the other ponytails on, and you let me know down below like which one is your favorite. But this kit by MyFirstWig carries 3 different ponytails, so there's something in it for everybody. Like whatever your mood is, you can switch your ponytails to match with your mood, like that ass, and I'm loving that. Guys, this is the puff, and I don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm loving this. It mimics my natural hair, and yeah, I love it. Let me know what y'all think down below, because this really could be my hair. Like it legit looks like my hair, and I'm loving that. It's very different. I feel so Afrocentric. I feel so fabulous. Like, let me know down below like what you think about this one. Guys, just when I thought I found my favorite, this third one just blew my mind. Like, I love it. This matches my texture like to the T. Like, I love it. This one and the puff is definitely my favorite. Like, let me know down below like which one you prefer. Like, let me know. Like, this whole kit with 3 ponies is a steal. Like, all of the ponies are fire, and if you're a natural girl like me, you have like 2 great natural ponies inside this kit that you could always use that straight one whenever you straighten your hair. Like, I'm loving this texture. Like, boom, so fire. And I took a brush and I brushed it out a bit just because I wanted it to be so like so much more fluffy than it was, because at first the curls weren't as fluffy, and I took my brush and I brushed it out, and I must say I love this. Like, I love this. Y'all know when I like something, like, I love this. Okay, like, I love this. This is my favorite one. I think I said that just before this, but this is my favorite one. Like, this is a vibe, and it is 22 inches, guys, so it comes down to like here. Okay guys, so we have come to the end of this video. All the information on these bomb ass ponies will be in the description bar, and these ponytails come in a set of 3. Let me know down below which one you would like to like grab, which one would you wear, like what's more your style, because I like all of them. Like, there's a ponytail for every mood. All of the information, including the links to purchase this hair, will be down in the description bar. Thank you guys so much for watching yet another tutorial of mine. I love you guys so much, and if you have not subscribed already, like, what are you waiting on? Like, we're at the end of the video. Please subscribe, please leave me a like, please leave me a comment. So I love you guys, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.